Hi guys, today we're going to challenge drawing my back challenge.
Yes.
So guys, let's start it for Papa.
Okay.
Makaya mo isip.
Okay.
What is this kind of something there? What?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This kind of
Okay. Meron pa?
Okay.
Tapos na?
Stop na.
Sige, oh. Pakita nyo kung ano yung nabuo natin na drawing.
Papayin na yung blend. Blend ganyan.
Okay, sabay-sabay ha.
What is kind
Okay.
of what?
1, 2, 3. Kay Papa ay 12. Ikaw, AC, patingin. Ikaw, Sayla.
Ano yan? Ang gulo niya, dali-dali na natin eh.